Hi, I'm Kyndra, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a frittata, which is a baked egg dish, and it is a whole lot easier than you think. Not to mention, it's a great way to use up leftover veggies or ingredients that you already have in your fridge. This is also a great breakfast because it's super high in protein and low carb. Not to mention, it's super delicious, so it's sure to please everybody at the table. Also, when you're cutting an onion, if you open your mouth and breathe in while you're doing it, you're a lot less likely to cry, like a little baby. Or you might still cry like me. Oh wow, it's really coming out. Oh! So we're just gonna start off by sauteing some onions to give it some extra flavor. There is nothing better than the smell of onions cooking, and while those are sauteing, we're just going to cook up our eggs. So I'm using a 12-inch saute skillet for my frittata, and a dozen eggs works perfect for that size. Now I'm just going to add half a cup of half and half, but you can use milk or cream or any combination of those, really just whatever you have. Add a pinch of salt and pepper to season it and just stir until combined. And now you're just going to set this aside while you cut up your veggies to add to the onions. So I couldn't find fresh organic asparagus, so I'm going to use frozen, which works just as well. I like to use these fire roasted red peppers in my frittata just because I love the color and flavor, plus they're really easy to keep in your pantry. You can really use any kind of vegetables for this. You could do sausage and kale or sun-dried tomato and basil. This has just always been my go-to. I'm just going to throw my asparagus and red peppers in with my onions to saute for a little bit. I like to use pans with two handles on either side like this as opposed to the one long handle, just because it's going in the oven and I have a tendency to want to grab the long handle, and that's not good for your hand. So my veggies have finished sauteing, and now I'm going to pour my egg mixture over the veggies. Make sure your eggs are nice and stirred, and just go ahead and pour it over your veggies. Now stick this back over the heat for a few minutes until the eggs start to clump, and then you're going to stick it in your oven. So my frittata just came out of my 400-degree oven. It took about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. And now you can go ahead and top it with cheese or fresh herbs or hot sauce, whatever you want. I love frittatas because you can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Not to mention they're great left over. Look at how beautiful. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed learning how to make my easy peasy frittata, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. So you never, ever, ever miss another Kyndra's Kitchen. Gouda is very Gouda in this frittata, although you could do a mild or sharp cheddar or a Monterey Jack. It's really up to you and what your cheese preferences are.